say ooh la 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 la.
You poked my tits.
La la.
Where were they?
I know.
I'm in disguise. A very bad one. Fabulous disguise.
That's fabulous. Display.
Josh, I have no idea where I'm going when I do this.
Try the jungle one.
No, they're not.
Yeah.
Are they? They're there. I tried running up the gate and I ran into the gate and slapped my face off the gate. Josh, you want the gate there? I went into the gate. There it goes. So you make it sound too. I see you. I do see you. That is. I used to live behind. Look at the smoke. Because you said they were behind, that's why I ran into the gate. Because I was meant to jump up onto the gate. They aren't there. They're somewhere else. Wait, no, I can see pink.
Why do we have to put this stupid fucking thing here?
Oh no, I should some boots and go right to the edge of the frigging pond. The sled! Just, you know the video, you probably just hear this big bang and I run into the gate. You went, they're over there, and I was here like this, and then you, no, Josh, that's not what I did. I was woo! They were massive ones, and then we both stood here, and you said, they're from behind us, because I was looking in the bathroom window, and I said, no, they're not behind us, and then I just darted down there, and tried jumping up the fence, and then I said, oh. So, this is what happened. I went, yeah, you got that in video. I'm like this dude called Joel from school. And the 1, and the 2, and the 3. Ooh, what the hell? And the 1.
That is.
Oh! That just echoed, or did it?
Look what it is.
I'm confused! Really, really confused!
I'm confused.com.
Shit! That one there was massive!